So everybody was told the same thing: learn to code, tech is the future, software engineering is the safest career on earth. And for years, that was true. People were getting six-figure jobs straight out of college. Bootcamps were turning complete beginners into developers in months. Tech companies were hiring literally anyone with a pulse. But now, people with computer science degrees can't find jobs. Experienced developers are sending out hundreds of applications. Mass layoffs keep happening every few months, and suddenly the internet is screaming AI killed programming or developers are finished. But honestly, I think people are missing what's actually happening right now, because this tech job collapse started before AI even became good enough to replace people, and it's still not doing that. And that changes the entire story. Back during the pandemic, tech companies went completely insane with hiring. Everybody was online, apps exploded, cloud usage exploded, digital businesses exploded. So companies started hiring like crazy. Engineers, designers, recruiters, literally everybody. It was basically a gold rush. People genuinely thought tech would just grow forever. But then interest rates started going up, money stopped being free, investors suddenly stopped caring about growth at all costs. And companies realized that, wait, why do we have 14 managers for one team? That's when the cut started, and honestly, they never really stopped. But now, throw AI into this mess too, and suddenly everybody completely loses their mind, because AI is making developers faster. That part is real. Boilerplate code gets automated, documentation gets summarized instantly, and debugging is faster. Simple tasks that used to waste hours now takes minutes, and companies are absolutely noticing that. So now executives are asking themselves, if one developer can suddenly do way more work, do we still need massive teams? And that is where the fear starts. Not because AI fully replaces engineers tomorrow, honestly we are nowhere near that yet. AI still makes dumb mistakes constantly, it still needs humans, real developers still matter, but companies may simply need fewer junior workers than before, and that's a huge difference. And yes, to be fair, I feel terrible for new grads right now. Imagine studying computer science for 4 years, being told your entire life that tech is the golden ticket, only to graduate into one of the worst hiring markets in years. That's brutal. But here's the weird part. At the exact same time, tech companies are slowing down. The rest of the economy suddenly wants tech workers. Banks need AI integration, retail companies need automation, hospitals need software systems, and cybersecurity demand keeps exploding. Even Starbucks probably has software engineers debugging apps at 2 AM right now. That's the shift nobody talks about enough. Tech jobs aren't disappearing, they are escaping Silicon Valley. So no, not really. I don't believe that programming is dead. Maybe the easy era is dying. Yes, that's true. The era where you learn basic coding, copied some projects, and instantly got a six-figure salary, that's gone. That version of tech might actually be over. But people who can adapt, people who understand AI instead of fearing it, people who can actually solve problems instead of just memorizing syntax, those people are probably going to dominate the next 10 years, because software still runs the world, and honestly, it probably always will.